Welcome back to Santa's Secret Pour Registry. I wonder what Santa has in store for us today. Today is the last day, which is day number 22. So let's hear that bottle pop. Let's pour some out. And once again, no cheating, no peeking. It is the last day, but doesn't mean you can't be put on the naughty list for Christmas. As we look at this, let's look at that color. And yep, nice color. Let's look at how the legs are sticking. Look at those legs. They look very nice and tight. So as we go in for that aroma, that first sniff, what whiskey do you think this is? On the nose, that smells like an amazing whiskey. There's buttery, caramel, fruit notes in the back with some nice little kind of hint of oakiness. But the great thing, it's not overpowering. Definitely smells like a day 22 pour. As we go in for that first sip, what proof do you think this is? Cheers. That butter liquid viscosity hits the palate very nicely, coats the tongue, makes my mouth drool, makes me want another sip already. But I kind of just need to take a moment and enjoy this for that first sip. Ooh, as we go in for that next one, is this finished or not finished? This is a nice solid pour. Everything you kind of want in a whiskey. It hits the palate, hits the nostrils, gives you a nice hug. Definitely a fun sipper. As you go in for that next sip, which distillery or which bottle do you think this is? I want you to know that this is a pour that Santa picked himself, pulled out of his private collection, and something that he really wanted to share with you on this last day. All right, final chances. Have you locked in your answers? Make sure to share them down below, or if you want, scream them right now at the screen. Are you ready for it? Do you think you know what it is? Well, here you go. Yep, Heaven Hill 19 years small batch. Heaven Hill Heritage Collection 19 years small batch 100 proof Kentucky straight wheat whiskey. Released in 2025, the mash bill is 51% wheat, 37% corn, and 12% malted barley. And of course, distilled and bottled by Heaven Hill Distillery in Bardstown, Kentucky. Well, my friends, for those of you who join me on this journey, thank you for coming along. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I have. Having a little bit of Christmas spirit in July is never a bad thing, and I think it's something we probably should be doing all year round. I'm hoping that through this journey, you discover some pours that you've never tried before, and I'm sure there's some that you liked and some that you didn't. I'm hoping that you found some that you really liked and maybe even went out and found a bottle of it for yourself. I know Whiskey Trek did. Also, I didn't want this to be just another advent calendar. I wanted it to be a fun experience, a fun journey that we could take together. And if you've been following on Patreon, I hope you're really enjoying that story there as well. But as we know, all good journeys and all good stories must come to an end. So today, on day 22, this Christmas journey comes to an end. I really had a lot of fun doing this. And for those of you that just kind of followed along, I hope you got some good guesses as well. No more workshop updates. No more pour that Santa filled for you for tomorrow. Just the memories that we take away with the friends that we have. And I feel that we need that Christmas spirit all year round. So my friends, go ahead and peek. Santa doesn't have one for tomorrow, but he shared his best bottle with you today. To our next journey, my friends, Merry Christmas in July and cheers.
Ho, ho, ho!